UKLO 1 year masters. No IELTS required up to 5 years visa. High visa success rate.
Love you, love you. Love you so much. Thank you. Andariki namaskaram. I'm feeling very overwhelmed actually after looking at this, little shy also. I have to start by thanking my special guest tonight. This is the first time I'm, part of organizing a pre-release event. It's new to me. Starting with Trivikram sir. Sir, when I messaged you, I did so little tentatively because I was not sure what your schedule is like. You're the wizard of words, where your words might be, where you must be writing, you putting your energy into that. So I sent you a very long message, I remember, and you responded so promptly saying, I will be there. It means so much to our film, sir, that right now, everything that you said, I couldn't understand most of it, but I know it's touching people's hearts right away because that's what you're known for. You weave magic into your words because they're so full of feeling. And with lots of feeling, I would like to thank you for being here with us. Thank you for supporting Team Jigra. Sam, my dearest Samantha, rightfully so, you are a hero on and off screen. I have so much admiration for your talent, for your resilience, for your strength. It's not easy to be a woman in a man's world, but you have surpassed gender. You stand tall on your 2 feet, and you have your talent and your strong kicks to be the example for everyone. And much like Trivikram sir, when I messaged you, it took you 6.5 seconds to say, I will be there. And that just shows the material that you're made of. And over here on this stage, not doing this for promotion, I genuinely mean it. Trivikram sir, I think Samantha and I should be in a film written and directed by you. They say usually actresses compete with each other and all of that, but there's no such thing. I am so, so grateful that today I have a pan-India superstar here to support my film and say such kind words for my film. So thank you so much, Sam. It really means the world. After RRR, the love that I received was truly unbelievable. నాకు తెలుగు భాషతో ఒక స్పెషల్ కనెక్షన్ వచ్చింది. Natu Natu actually plays in my house every day. Raha, my daughter, loves Natu Natu. Literally, she plays the song and she says, Mama, play Natu Natu. Then we play Natu Natu. Mama, come here. Then she makes me stand against some support. And then we do the step. Obviously, she doesn't know how to do the step, but she does this. And she's seen my clip doing it, Natu Natu, somewhere in some award show. So she says, show Mama video doing Natu Natu. So really, Natu Natu plays in my house every day. Manchi సినిమాని ప్రేమించడంలో ఎవరైనా తెలుగు ఆడియన్స్ తెరవాతే. And that is why we released Gangubai and Brahmastra in Telugu. And now Jigra. And I'm really hoping that the love that I received in the last couple of years also goes to our little film, Jigra. Vasan sir said it earlier, Jigra ante dhairyam, courage. But Jigra also is loved one, somebody who you love a lot. And I love my director, Vasan Bala. I have had such a brilliant experience working with you. You're so pure, you're so simple, and you're such a passionate cinema lover, much like the Telugu audience as well. Cinema is like, sukoon, comfort for you. And I hope you do many, many more films, and I hope to be in some of them. But I'm so grateful that you chose me to be your Satya. whatever the fate of the film. I'm so grateful. I had the opportunity of working with the young, dashing, fresh out of the oven, extremely talented Vedang Raina. He's so cute, come on. Big round of applause for Vedang. Vedang, you are my jigra on screen, and I will always remember this experience. He plays my brother in the screen, but I think we've developed a kind of friendship through the course, and I will always be there for you. Thank you so much for giving your vulnerability, your eyes, and your spirit and strength to Jigra. Rahul plays a very special part in the film. Can't reveal too much. Jigra is also a bit of a thriller drama, if you haven't noticed already, which is why we can't give too much away. But all our on-set conversations is something that I hold very close to my heart. Another extremely passionate cinema lover. In fact, sometimes Vasan and Rahul were referencing things and movies and moments that I was not understanding. I was just like, like that, trying to understand what they're saying. But I really value our conversations, and I really value the support that you've given us to even come here today and all back and forth. So thank you, Rahul, for being a part of the film. Thank you, Rana. Rana and I have been in touch for the last couple of months. Never did I think this is going to happen so soon, so quickly, so smoothly. You just took over, and I didn't have to think of anything. Thank you for releasing Jigra in Telugu. Thank you to Asian Shreyas Entertainment. I think for us, this is a big moment to even, come here and have this pre-release event. It's, what the big films do. So feeling very grateful to be a part of that. Yeah, that's it. Jigra releases in a cinema near you on the 11th of October. And action, emotion, drama, anni unna oka manchi intense family cinema. Thank you, meeku na muddulu.
That's amazing. Requesting you to please stay back on stage. And
హిట్ టీవీ యాప్ ని డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి. ఇందులో షార్ట్ న్యూస్, లైవ్ న్యూస్, ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ మూవీస్ అన్ని అవైలబుల్ గా ఉన్నాయి.
please download Hit TV app.
హిట్ టీవీ యాప్.
హిట్ టీవీ యాప్ని ఫ్రీగా డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి.